One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Inter's lineup. Samir Handanovic starts in goal. Stefan de Vrij plays with Diego Godin as the centre-backs. Marcelo Brozovic plays with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. Coutinho. And shoots! Great stop. Being closed down here. And the cross targeting Thomas Müller. Save!
Well, maybe even the keeper.
It's good play, this. The opposition can't get at them when they're keeping the ball. Robert Lewandowski! Oh, they've opened the scoring here. It's a good start. It's a flying start, really. What build-up here, Alan. The passing was so slick, and it really did deserve a goal, that move.
Well, it did. The manager will be delighted. I think that's something they've worked on the training ground. Came off a treat.
Goretzka. It's a shot! Saved by the keeper, but not decisively. Lewandowski! Backing himself in these circumstances. Goretzka. It's Kimmich. Müller. And they're stopped in their tracks by a raised flag from the assistant.
Well, I thought, you know, he timed his run perfectly there, but no, they kept a good straight line.
Special football club.
Made a quick interception. Maybe a bit of a sighter. Now Benjamin Pavard. And now it's offside against Thomas Müller.
He's not slow, this lad, and he can afford to wait a bit longer. He'll beat that defender in a sprint.
Goretzka. Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. Oh, he's been called offside here. Benjamin Pavard. Goretzka. Joshua Kimmich. An opportunity here. It's Lewandowski. Brilliant goal!
Such a well-crafted goal, this. Lovely vision to find the pass, and what a tidy finish.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? Trying to stretch the opposition, using the wider areas here. Continue to knock the ball around, looking for the opening. Looking to attack the cross in numbers. Chance to work it from the flanks. Trying to pick out Lewandowski. Could have done better with the cross. Eriksen. Antonio Candreva. Players trying to attack the cross. Far too close. The cross to the keeper.
Sorrisi e canzoni, da sempre uno spettacolo, oggi più che mai. E questa settimana è in edicola con 2.500.000 copie, ha raggiunto 15 milioni di lettori settimanali ed è sempre di più spettacolo, televisione, cinema, musica, attualità da tutto il mondo. TV, sorrisi e canzoni, lo spettacolo più applaudito.
che sì, la libertà di fare con l'acqua tutto ciò che ti dà.
jitlabu b'skorer b'8 goals. U għamu mal-formazzjonijiet għal Paris Saint-Germain. Keylor Navas bejn il-lasti, Moynier, Marquinhos, Silva, Berna fuq wara, Geje Verratti f'nofs il-ground, Mbappé, Cavani, appunto Icardi u Neymar ikunu l-attakkanti. Juventus minnaħa l-oħra, skema ta' 4-3-2, anzi 4-3-1-2, użata minn Maurizio Sarri. Szczesny, Cuadrado, Chiellini, Delict, Alexandro, Pjanic, Matuidi, Khedira, Bernardeschi, Dybala u Cristiano Ronaldo, l-aqwa player fid-dinja. Paris Saint-Germain qed jattakkaw mix-xellu kal-lemin. Neymar jieħdu l-ballun Juventus, Dybala, Khedira, Cristiano Ronaldo, attenzjoni, Ronaldo għadu offside. Huwa propju l-asso Portugiż ta' Juventus illi jinqabad off. Jipruva jfittax l-appoġġ ta' Cuadrado minn fuq il-lemin. Imur għal-cross, Cuadrado jklirja Thiago Silva, tazza l-xot, miraklu jħajt għad-diviża Pariġina. Juventus jers u ripli skurjaw l-ewwel ballun ta' dat-tournament, ta' dal-finali, skużawni. Pjanic, Matuidi, Pjanic, Ronaldo. Ronaldo Dybala xot, Cavani. Verratti qassam il-Neymar, xot, Szczesny. Imma attenzjoni, l-logħba ta' switcha xawn. Icardi, Moynier, corner sa fl-attant Neymar, Verratti bil-ballun qassam il-Neymar, Verratti offside. Konna qed ngħidulkom Juventus spiċċaw il-fażi tal-kampjonat fis-sitt post. Fil-kwarti tal-finali eliminaw lil Manchester United bil-golden goal lura lil Bernat, Neymar, Verratti, Neymar. Jipruva Cuadrado z-zemur il-kosta, attenzjoni kemma xot, ballu mal-asta Paris Saint-Germain. Matuidi, Bernardeschi, Khedira, spazju għal Alexandro fuq il-xalluk biex imur għal-kosta, attenzjoni għal Alexandro sejam, Alexandro jassam il-Cristiano Ronaldo. Moynier jipruva għal Ronaldo xot u jilqa Keylor Navas. Neymar, Cavani, il-ballon għand Icardi, attenzjoni, spazju għal Icardi, xot, Mauro! Icardi! 4 minuta lob u il-pupazz ta' Rosario jiftaħ l-iskor għal Paris Saint-Germain kif ukoll jassigura u jser jkun it-top scorer tal-Antonello Sports Blog FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament. Kif issa il-player Argentin jkun skurja xejn inqas minn 8 goals f'dan il-tournament. Gow mill-isbaħ ukoll, gow ta' attakkant li wara kollox Mauro Icardi jiftaħ l-iskor għal Paris Saint-Germain wara 44 minuta lob. It-8 gowl tal-pupazz ta' Rosario fl-Antonello Sports Blog FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament. Bernardeschi, Cuadrado, Bernardeschi, Ronaldo, Keylor Navas, Sami Khedira, Dybala, Bernardeschi, attenzjoni Bernardeschi, xot, Navas lasta! Organizzajna matul daw it-3 xhur. U hekk naraw il-premjazzjoni. Keylor Navas, l-aqwa gowler tat-tournament. Mbappé, u hekk naraw il-Neymar li kien l-aqwa player ta' dan it-tournament. Voti għoljin ħafna matul it-tournament kollu. U hekk naraw il-kaptan Thiago Silva illi ħajolli t-tazza li t-dikjera Paris Saint-Germain bħala ir-rebbieħa tal-Antonello Sports Blog FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament. U minn ġewwa l-istadju ta' San Siro nirringrazzjakom tal-li segwejtu dan it-tournament matul dawn it-3 xhur. Nisperaw li offrejnilkom divertiment alternattiv matul dan il-perjodu li konna mingħajr futbol. Ferrajna t-tournament mill-isbaħ, ferrajna rebbieħa meritatissimi, il-Paris Saint-Germain ta' Franza. Dak kollox minn naħa tiegħi, Antonello Bera jsellmilkom u jistedinkom biex tkomplu segwu il-kontenut ta' bilħaq interessanti li qed ikollna sew fuq Facebook, sew fuq YouTube u sew fuq Twitch tal-Antonello Sports Blog, l-istazzjon numru 1 fejn jidħol futbol, Formula 1 u darts. Paris Saint-Germain, il-champions tal-Antonello Sports Blog FIFA 20 Challenge Tournament.